Meaning of Days of Our Lives.
Days of Our Lives.
Days of Our Lives.
Days of Our Lives.
Days of Our Lives. Days of Our Lives is a long-running American soap opera that debuted in 1965. It follows the lives and relationships of various families in the fictional town of Salem. The show has been praised for its drama, romance, and complex characters. It has won numerous awards and has been credited with launching the careers of several actors. Despite facing cancellation multiple times, Days of Our Lives continues to air new episodes and remains a popular daytime television program.